inside the highlight. Yes, yes, like honey, come through. What up, YouTube? I am back with another video. It has been a minute since I have recorded and posted, but I am doing the trend, follow YouTube person, follow YouTube creator, artist. Anyways, I will be following Shantell Monique video. I had recorded one on doing the cut crease with a glitter liner, but that one deleted. My heart broke. Follow her new one that is the mermaid look. So we finna see how this go. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Okay, to the video. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. I'm gonna let y'all know now. I do not have the palette she's using, but I am going to order it soon. So we're gonna be using our good old Morphe 35B.
I already know I did my brows. I haven't brushed them out yet. Off with my Zulu palette from Juvia's Place. And I'm taking the yellow for my first transition shade along with my BH Cosmetics number 12 fluffy brush. I have no idea what look I want to do. I do want to do like a springtime look, but I also have this teal wig that I just received from this company that kind of inspired me as well. So I think I might do a look based around that. So staying in the Juvia's Place palette.
Wait, you're moving too fast. You're moving too fast. Pause, pause. What's next, honey? What's next?
Teal color next, because that's like the color of the wig.
I ain't looking like that.
Brush and just diffuse it out a little bit with the yellow color. Now I'm going into my handy dandy Morphe 35B palette.
Okay,
I'm going to take this blue, this one right here, and I'm going to put that directly under the like teal green color. All right, now I'm.
Pause, sis, pause.
The Magic palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna take a little bit of this. I don't even know how to pronounce it, but like it's like this navy color right here.
Okay.
It starts with a Y. Okay. I want to take a really small brush to blend this out because I want it in one specific spot and I don't want it to go anywhere else. So I'm taking my Morphe 506 brush. And I'm going to keep packing this on until I get the color that it looks like in that palette. I want it to be just as deep as it is in that palette on my eye. Of course, I'm going to cut my crease with my Ambrosia Cosmetics IFF. Cosmetics IFX white base.
Okay, I don't have the white base, but I'm gonna use Cool 10. Okay, we just finna make it do what it do.
Now I'm just taking the rest of this white base and blending it into the blue. Do is top it off with this like icing blue right here from the Maya Makeup's pigment stack. I was sent a few glitters from this.
Okay, so I ain't got that little icy blue, but I think this one might work. Let's see. Okay, the front of hers is white, but that's because she used the white base. I ain't got no white base, so we just going to use this white in this palette. She used a glitter. Let me see if I got one close to that. Okay, she wasn't feeling the wings, so I'm not gonna do the wings. I'm about to put my lashes on and do my face. So yeah, that completes the video. I will link her video down below so you guys can watch her video too. But yeah, you know, I think it turned out pretty good. You guys comment down below and tell me what you think. If you're not subscribed already, click the subscribe button, click the bell button next to it. Follow me on all social media, which will be linked in below, and go watch my other videos. Like, yes. Until next time.
Always tip top when they say I'm not hot. All these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey. Haters wanna fight me. Never been the one.